Okay, I'm making some grilled cheese. These are grilled cheese that have hot sauce in them. Okay, I was starting to think, I really like grilled cheese with hot sauce in it. Here I am, making a grilled cheese. This shit's gonna be good. Anyways, and what I just thought of, and as I was doing this, I cut myself. This sucks. I went to grab something right here, and I touched this edge. Did not realize this edge of my stainless steel backsplash is so sharp. I'm gonna have to unscrew this, slide something behind there to protect the wall, and sand that edge. Look at that shit. That just cut me like a bitch. Alright, so while this goes, I was thinking, I use hot sauce. I got a favorite type of hot sauce, but I have a few different types of hot sauce. So I was thinking I'd do a what's in my spice rack. So this should be pretty fun. Valentina. Valentina is the shit. The black label is the hot. You can find it with like an orange or a goldish label that's not as hot. I recommend the hot. This shit is delicious. You can buy it at grocery stores for under $1. I saw it at Kroger's just the other day for 95 cents for this bottle, a 12 ounce. They do make a large one. I have matches. I have some of the Bragg's nutritional yeast. I'm going to hold my phone with this hand. I got these lemon sliced coasters. I use those. A couple of these I got at the dollar grocery store. Basil leaves, crushed red pepper, also very good. Some cheapo Parmesan cheese. There's not really a lot left. I don't really use it that much. What do I got? I got some sea salt. This is just for if I ever need salt for anything. Down here, pickling spice. Oh, this is awesome. So what I've been doing, and maybe I'll do one of these later, but I've been pickling shit. Right now I got beets and eggs. This is gonna be awesome. Round 2 on that. Let me turn this heat off because I'm pretty sure this thing is done. Okay, so after that, one day I wanted to buy lemon juice and I thought this was lemon juice because this was the part of it I saw on the shelf and I just grabbed it. But it was actually onion juice. I was kind of pissed. I thought I was going to just simply throw this away once I realized what it was, but it's actually not bad. I grill some veggies and sometimes I splash some onion juice on there if I don't really feel like cutting up an onion. Clover honey just because it fits. Black peppercorn in a grinder. Here's another really good hot sauce, Tapatio. Some people in New Mexico told me about this. I've been a fan ever since. This one was a gift from my girlfriend. She brought me this back. I think this is actually from Ohio. Where does it say? Yeah, this one's from Ohio, but she picked this up in Louisiana somewhere. Alright, now here's some good ones. This is Jane's Crazy. They make a variety, but these are the 2 easiest to find. The mixed up salt. My grandfather used to use this. My dad's used this. I'm gonna probably use this for my whole life. This is just a really good, just seasoned mixed up salt. And they also make a pepper. They make a few other varieties like a garlic salt. They make like a lemon salt. They make quite a few. These aren't too hard to find, but not every grocery store will have it. They're usually about $2 and something per deal, and you can buy the big one too. I think this is 4 ounces. I think you can find it in a 12 ounce, but the 4 ounce fits there fine. And then this is my coffee grinder. Put coffee in here, comes out down here once you disconnect it, and right there's the handle that fits on this 5-sided nut. So it fits pretty well right there. I did make these spice racks, and the way I designed them was so that one was sort of like a, I think like a 3-inch depth, and the other one was like a 2-inch, and I kind of like it because this one fits 9 things rather well, and this one here fits, well, it should be 6, but some of these are bigger, and then this is smaller. Anyways, I don't know, whatever, it works. But yeah, that's what's in my spice rack. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'm about to eat a grilled cheese. Peace.